So don't you dare and try to walk away. I got my heart set on our wedding day. I've got this vision of a girl in white. Made my decision that it's you, alright. When I take your hand, I watch my heart set sail. I'll take my trembling fingers and I'll lift up your veil. Then I'll take you home, and with wild abandon make love to you just like a true companion. You are my true companion. I got a true companion. Oh, true companion. When the years have done irreparable harm, I can see us walking slowly arm in arm, just like that couple on the corner do. 'Cause girl, I will always be in love with you. When I look in your eyes, I'll still see that spot until the shadows fall, until the room grows dark. Then when I leave this earth, I'll be with the angels standing. I'll be out there waiting for my true companion, just for my true companion, true companion, true companion.
Sounds on Saturday with John the Boss.
He's the guy responsible for the pop song Walking in Memphis, Mark Cohn, in a reflective mood. My true companion. Thank you, DJ Hotcat, the cupcake from the Zambian Copper Belt. You're a true companion yourself, you know. When you're not being faithful to your hot chocolate, obviously. Speaking of which, you promised to get me some a little while back. How long do I have to wait? Because that corn on the cob bet you lost the other day. Oh, Lord, grant me patience, but please hurry. Until then, I suppose I just better hold on.
Turn out the light, sleep won't come. I think about what's going on wrong. Lying so close, so alone. Please turn to me, I'm almost gone. Hold on, I feel our love is changing. Hold on, please don't let me disappear. Hold on, there's time to rearrange things. Hold on, I'm not me without you here. Put out your hand, touch desire. Where there's a spark, could be a fire. Open your arms, let me see if there is still love in you for me. Hold on, I feel our love is changing. Hold on, please don't let me disappear. on, there's time to rearrange things. Hold on, I'm not me without you here. Hold on, I feel our love is changing. Hold on, please don't let me disappear. Hold on, there's time to rearrange things. Hold on, I'm not me without you here.
Sounds on Saturday with John the Boss.
A long-gone friend and colleague always used to play that on his Sunday afternoon shows on Radio 3 back in the day. Mr. CG, we called him, Caleb Tonzana. The track by B.B. King with the Crusaders, Hold On. Oh, here comes yet another good friend.
This is Fungai Masango. Let me welcome you to Sounds on Saturday with John the Boss. This week, it's a Sombra session.
Yeah. No. Turn down the lights. Turn down the bed. Turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me. Tell me no lies, just hold me close. Don't patronize, don't patronize. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in this final hour, I will lay down my heart and feel the power if you won't. No, you won't. I'll close my eyes, then I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come, and I'll do what's right. Just give me till then to give up this fight. And I will give up this fight. 'Cause I can't make you love me if you don't. You can't make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, in these final hours, I will lay down my heart and feel the power if you won't. No, you won't. 'Cause I can't make you love me. No. If you don't, say you ain't got love. You ain't got love. You ain't got love it. I just make you love. I can't make you love me.
Sounds on Saturday with John the Boss.
Thank you, Fungai Masango. And what a version of the Bonnie Raitt song, I Can Make You Love Me by Durrell Ataz Babs, better known in the joy business as simply Tank. Also in the joy business on the British pop scene, once upon a time, many dry years ago, was a group from Bradford who went by the name Smokey. You all remember living next door to Alice? Yeah. One of the founder live wires in the band was this one gentleman named Alan Silson. He actually met his co-founder in a chance meeting in a music shop, as you do, you know. And this is what he's capable of, now flying solo.
Hold your face a little closer to the candle. I wanna feel you here by the light. I've been lost and it's more than I can handle. I've been afraid for my very life. They try to find me, I wouldn't listen. They try to hurt me, but found me too hard. They tried to persuade me, I wouldn't listen. Tried to degrade me, but I was on my guard. Hold your face a little closer to the candle. I wanna see you here by the light. I've been lost and it's more than I can handle. I've been afraid for my very life. One for the children crying in the wilderness. One for the father broken on the wheel, chained by his happiness, held by the wonder, waiting to compromise, making another deal. Hold your face a little closer to the candle. I wanna see you here by the light. I've been lost and it's more than I can handle. I've been afraid for my very life. Time has come now, and we can see now the candle shining. The day has come now, yes, we can breathe now. The sun is shining. Hold your face a little closer to the candle. I wanna see you here by the light. I've been lost and it's more than I can handle. I've been afraid for my very life. Hardcore integrity, the mightiest of stanchions, born in the ether and ready to fly. Nurtured in the bosom, easy prey for religion. Hand on the white stick, the blind lead the blind. Hold your face a little closer to the candle. I wanna see you here by the light. I've been lost and it's more than I can handle. I've been afraid for my very life.
Sounds on Saturday is fun on Saturday.
So there have been a few covers of that song too by Roger Whittaker and Geraldine, to mention a couple, but that is by far my favorite version of the Stephen Whaley penned song Closer to the Candle. Hail the Queen!
Life has its ups and downs. It breaks the heart. Sometimes you feel like those stones on your path are never going to be bent. You feel like you are carrying the world's weight on your shoulders. But trust me, we are here for each other. Umuntu ngumntu ngabantu. So don't be afraid to reach out. In return, don't be afraid of being a good listener to those who seek strength from you. And don't forget to always spread positive vibrations. In addition, don't be hesitant to tune in to Sounds on Saturday every Saturday. We dedicate this session to you, our listeners. Remember, you are not alone. Be strong. You are the reason we are here today. Quoted from Callum Scott. To those who won hoodies last month, you will be contacted when everything is sorted. Facebook page, we at John on the microphone. YouTube, we at John on the microphone. Please subscribe. X, we at John_microphone. It's your girl, Rediva the Queen. Boss, carry on.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you